Good day, viewers, and welcome back to Chima Matter Spiritual Tips. Thank you so much for stopping by once again, and may God Almighty continue to bless you. If this is your first time of coming in contact with this face or coming across this channel, you are highly welcome. My name is Brother Chima Prince Matter, and I am a spiritualist. On this channel, I share spiritual tips, spiritual recipes using the power of the earth, the power of the universe, and the power of God in order to manifest my spiritual work. And if you are just joining us for the very first time, you need to become a bona fide member of this channel by subscribing to the red button down below this video on your right hand side. Give me a thumbs up on my videos and comment on the comment section if there is anything you don't understand that I said on here. And on this channel, we have shared a lot of videos in the past that you can go through it. They might be of help to your spiritual problem. And as you do this, may God bless you. Today, I have come with another powerful spiritual tips. I call it a power bomb that when it explodes in the camp of your enemies, they will be running helter-skelter. Now, a lot of people has been calling me on the phone, placing their offer on the videos they want me to put on here. On today's spiritual tips, we are going to be talking about how to fight spiritual husband and wife using only two ingredients or materials that God has created in order to solve our spiritual problems on here. And what are those two ingredients that we will be using? Number one is your garlic. As you can see, this is my garlic. We are to believe that garlic is a spice we add to our foods. Garlic is being used in a different culture. It is believed that garlic has rare power of breaking evil spirit and spells. Garlic has a lot of power. It possesses a lot of spiritual power and energy to break evil spirit and evil spells against our life and our destiny. The second material is salt, be it sea salt or table salt. Is what we are going to be using in fighting spiritual husband or spiritual wife. Salt is made up of a sodium chloride, and yes, salt is made up of its carbon chloride, and it is used for cleansing our body and mind, spiritually and physically, against any negativities. You can use salt to clean your body, your mind, physical, spiritually, against any evil negativities. So on today's video, we are going to be using salt and garlic in order to put behind every spiritual wife or any spiritual husband that has been troubling you, making you not to make it in life, causing confusion in your relationship, causing confusion between you and your partner. Those that has been coming to you in the dream to mesmerize with you with a face of a lady that you have been liking, or with a face of a man that you have been liking. They will mesmerize with you in your dream, and you will come in that dream. After that, things will be difficult for you. You will be having setback in your business, in your environment, in your working places. Nothing good comes in. You will be having problem in your marriage. Yes, even though you manage to get married, a spiritual wife or a spiritual husband can hold somebody from getting married, can hold somebody from having a good relationship. In any relationship you get into, something or the other will happen, and that person will leave you and start befriending another person. It is not ordinary. You know, people in these days, we don't believe in spiritual. We believe in the words of the pastors. You have been going to deliverance service for them to deliver you from spiritual wife or husband. but nothing is happening. But if you listen to me and hearken to my voice and watch this video to the end and practice with me on here, yes, because practice make perfect and spiritual control the physical realm. After doing these tips the way I have instructed you, your spiritual husband will leave you alone. That spiritual wife will leave you alone. But maybe you will, if you have been doing so many tips and you have been going to churches, and after doing my own tips and nothing happened, you know that you need an upper hand to solve that problem for you. That is when you will involve me by calling the number on the screen that you are watching for my assistance. Let me tell you, if you have a strong root of spiritual husband or spiritual wife that has been there since you are born, doing these tips will not help it. You can only separate yourself from that spirit by doing a spiritual walk in the river, by giving them a sacrifice. And after giving them that sacrifice, you are separating yourself from the spiritual husband or the spiritual wife. Yes, that particular assignment is done in the sea. You will buy things and you will buy a living cock or ram. You go to the sea and they will separate you from your spiritual husband or your spiritual wife. You will offer that sacrifice to them. You will now marry a new wife or a new husband to that your spiritual husband or to your marine spirit that has been disturbing you. And after you have done that sea sacrifice, you will see everything start working normal. That is after you have done this and it didn't work. But I know that this one works. So we are going to be using these two items that I mentioned on here. And how are we going to do it? Before I go on, before I let the cat out of the bag, I would like to introduce myself for the second time. My name is Brother Chima Prince Mata, and I am the bona fide founder of Chima Mata Spiritual Tips, where we cure all kinds of spiritual problems. I help people to solve their spiritual problem. So feel free to call on my phone number if there's anything you want me to render assistance to you. I am open to communication. And on this channel, we have our spiritual materials for sale that is fully charged by me. We have our curse breaking soap, road opening soap, favor soap, crowd pulling soap, back to sender soap. We also have the Equable Plus Detox, the anti-witchcraft case solver, the Equable Plus Detox. In case you ate something in the dream and you have been having moving objects in your body, the problem is solved if you call me on the phone. We have the Igila powder, Pankane oil, original honey. All these things are in our spiritual shop. In case you need any of them, feel free to contact me. I will not start explaining their works because of time. I have to say what brings me on here. So going back to our today's topic on how you can fight spiritual husband and spiritual wife with garlic and salt. You have to bring your garlic. You peel them one after the other. It would be 8 in number because a bunch of garlic is 8 in number when you count it. You peel them. After peeling them, you blend it with your blender. Or if you don't have blender, you pound it with your mortar. After blending it, you put it in a clean bowl. Then you look for water that is up to 1 liter. You bring a clean pot and boil the water that is up to 1 liter. Then after boiling it for 15 minutes, you pour it inside the bowl that you put the garlic and turn it with your hand. Allow it to settle like 10 minutes. You add the salt to it, whether sea salt or table salt, or any kind of salt you have around you. Add the salt to it and you turn it 7 times. How you are going to do it, you keep it for 1 hour. After 1 hour, you bring your filter and you filter the water. You remove the chaff of the garlic, and then you turn the water inside a container, a 1 liter container. How are you going to be using it? You will be using it every night before going to sleep. If you normally experience your spiritual wife or spiritual husband coming to mesmerize with you in your dream in the night, before going to sleep, take 1 cup of the mixture that you have mixed. Put inside your normal bathing water and pray over it. You know what you are going through? Pray and call God. Meditate. You know how the spiritual husband and wife used to come to you? You make your prayers. After that, take your bath and go to sleep. You will not experience it anymore. Do it for 7 good days, and that your spiritual wife or spiritual husband will be far away from you. Starting from the very first day you started this, and you will notice that you will no longer be having terrible dreams. Yes. And the people will begin to fight both spiritually and physically on your behalf. Secondly, grace with favor and good luck will follow you after doing this. Positivities in your business. You will see positivities in your business after you have done this. After you have chased away your spiritual husband and your spiritual wife, things will start moving for you. In that your marriage, you will have peace of mind. In that your relationship, you will have peace of mind. By the grace of God Almighty, you will be healed from every affliction, every disease that they have planted in you after doing this recipe. And so shall it be. I have come to the end of this video. As God, we have all the glory for giving us the strength to speak up here. Power no be powder. Yes, we dey play, we dey show. Ask people who has been testing us. Yes, and if you have never subscribed to the channel yet, do me a favor by subscribing to the red button down below this video. Turn the notification bell to all. I will see you in my next video. Don't hesitate to put on your testimonies on my comment section and give me a thumbs up like this, which is the like. As you do so, may God bless you.